The proper care and maintenance of instructional materials is an important part of the teaching learning process. Each material has its own proper use and care. In general, rules must be observed with regards to these instructional materials. Which of the following is not one of the rules? Letter A dull-edged tools must be sharpened regularly. Letter B tools, materials must be kept at the right places where they should be. Letter C use only tools which are in good condition. Letter D use hand tools, equipment for all purposes. Using tools for purposes other than their intended use can lead to damage and potential safety hazards. Hand tools and equipment should be used only for their intended purposes to ensure safety and proper maintenance. The rule that is not appropriate regarding the proper care and maintenance of instructional materials is letter D use hand tools, equipment for all purposes.